China just dropped an AI model so big, it made Wall Street sell off chip stocks in a single day. Meet Kimi K video. You'll know exactly why the entire AI industry is talking about it. Kimi K3 comes from Moonshot AI, a Beijing startup backed by Alibaba and Tencent. It's a 2.8 trillion parameter model. That's roughly 75% bigger than DeepSeek's V4. Here's the trick. It only activates 16 of 896 experts. It also has a 1 million token context window, native image understanding, and an always-on thinking mode. It trails only Claude 5.5 and GPT-5.6 overall, but beat Claude Opus on coding and agent tasks, even topping the front-end code leaderboard ahead of 5.5. Rival Chinese firms Zhipu and MiniMax saw shares drop 15–28% on the news. It's also reignited Washington's debate over US companies using Chinese open-source models. Full weights drop July 27th. This story isn't over. Subscribe to stay ahead of every major AI release.